Hey, what's going on, guys? Field09 here. Just gonna be a really short video. I've never done this in a really long time. I don't really record myself. I don't really like it. I'm using my phone, it's hard to see. I can't even see what I'm recording right now because it's turned around. So on the count of three, I'm gonna turn it around. You see this? See, I was looking at my camera to make sure it's there. So what this whole video about is right here. The PlayStation 5 came in yesterday. Decided to make a video about it today. So we're gonna go over this. And for all my subscribers, I wanted to go over just like a setup tour, how I normally have done stuff. So yeah, this is my bed, obviously. It's just my room. Got the PS5, got my chair, got TV. It's where I watch cable TV on and sometimes a movie. This is my gaming monitor. Let's get this. I'm just gonna sit back down. So right here we got Xbox One controller, obviously, and these are the specs on this. 165 hertz, 0.5 millisecond response time. I love it. Um, right here we got the Xbox One. We have Rainbow Six Siege here. I play that a lot. And then we have the Black Ops 3 Edition PS4, which is gonna get replaced at Christmas. And then my clock. So, um, here's my laptop. Right now, it's showing the video details of my last video. If you haven't, you should really check it out. So yeah, it shows all these videos. So yeah, it's a pretty good laptop. I use it a lot, have my games on it. The keyboard lights up, which is pretty cool. So, yeah. So, back to the main course. We're just going to open this up, show you guys what's inside of it, and just see how cool this beauty of a freaking console is. So, I'm doing this with one hand, so here it is. Let's get the box out of here. I've already opened it. I've opened it once before, but I just want to just take another picture of it for you guys. Okay, so like I said, I'm still new to this. I accidentally paused it instead of taking a picture, which is fine. But here it is, the PlayStation 5. I already opened it once. When I tried to put it back in, I kind of ripped it. So, yeah. So we're just gonna take a picture of this really quick. Use this as a thumbnail. Here it is. It's pretty cool. So we're just gonna hop right into this. It's gonna open it up. Gonna go grab a knife. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. Here it is. Obviously, whenever you're using a knife, you want to cut away from you. So I'm doing this one-handed, so it's kind of difficult. Let me get this mouse out of the way. Put this over here on the laptop. So, basically, folds up like this, and the way that this console is it slides right out. So what you're gonna do is put it on the ground, and I'm just gonna. I'll pause. I'll be right back. We'll get this out. Okay, so I finally got it off. I was kind of struggling to do that, but here it is. So you do that, and this is the main part right here. So, you do this, and you're like, oh God, it's a box inside of a box inside of a box. But no, here's where the goods are. So, it's upside down, so let's spin this around. Here it is. Here it is, the PS5. Obviously here you got your guides and stuff. Just give me 1 second. You got your guides, anything you'll need to get you set up. Put that down there. You got your power cord right here where you plug everything in. And here it is. One of the main things that people are excited about is the DualShock 5. DualSense is actually what it's called. Right here. So, let's come off. Here it is. The DualSense controller. It's pretty cool. If you ask me, I like the feel of it. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. Overall, I think this is a good controller. So we'll come back to this. Like I said, we got our power cord here. And then, here. And that's pretty cool. You got that PlayStation thing right there. So, what we got now, I'm pretty sure these are the HDMI cables. Then you got your stands to which you're going to stand the PlayStation on. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take all this. We're going to take this little box out right here. And then we're going to get into the best part. So we'll put this over here with the controller. And now, here's the console. I'm going to pause and come back because I don't want to break this thing. Okay, so here it is. What we got here is a PlayStation 5 console. Like I said, I already took it out once to make sure everything was here and it wasn't fake. So actually, sorry that you're seeing the styrofoam, but I'm going to use two hands. Bring this over here. We're going to take it out. I'm doing it here so that when I take this off, it doesn't hit a hard surface. Because it's my bed. Now let's pick this up with one hand. And here it is. The bad boy y'all have been looking for. The router. The PlayStation 5. Sick. Got your PlayStation logo. Right here you got a couple buttons. I have this upside down. No, it's not upside down. So what you got here is you got a power button here. You got the disc button here. Got a USB here. So this is another charging port right here. And of course you got the disc tray. So it's pretty sick. Yeah. I'll show you the back of it. All the ports that come with it. So, obviously here we got the power cord right here. The one next to it, that's HDMI. That's for Ethernet, the one in the middle. And you got two USB ports here for whatever you want. So, like I said, you can set this up either way. I just flipped that, so sorry if it just flipped around. You can have it on the side, which I'm going to do. Or you can do this. And just set it up like that. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this here. And put this controller right here next to it. Sorry for such a weird angle. And let's just showcase this bad boy. So, get a picture here. You know. Gotta get the PlayStation logo in there, you know. Just so y'all know that this is real and it's like I'm doing every angle imaginable. Yeah, so I mean it fits in with my chair, it's pretty cool. And really that's about it. I can't really offer you any gameplay right now because I didn't pay for this because it's quite expensive. My parents did, so it's a Christmas gift, so I can't play till Christmas, but why not? Okay, so now that I just did that, yeah, it's the aftermath. You got all of this. So, yeah. So that's in this video. Here it is, PlayStation 5. And yeah, I'm actually going to, any guys that are just here for the PlayStation 5, you can leave now. I'm going to show you guys my dogs. I'll be right back. Okay, so anybody that's here for just me, got my two huskies right here. This one's Bucky. He's younger. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. And then we have Loki. He's the older one. He's about a year old. His birthday is April 20th. So, and this one, his birthday was hey. Don't jump. A couple days ago, actually. So say hi, Buck. Yeah. Ow. Say hi. Are you kidding me? Alright, don't chill. Alright, so I think we're going to end it here. See you guys next time.